For over a century, baseball has been a Sioux Falls tradition. We've known the exhilaration of success, and we know how humbling it is to fall short of our potential. In baseball, even the smallest miscalculation can mean the difference between a home run and a foul ball. Details matter. Over the years, we've made some changes. And though we've stumbled at times, we've listened and we've learned. We've learned that a community doesn't need a baseball team, but a baseball team needs a community. We've learned that this team doesn't belong to the people who own the trademark. It belongs to the people of Sioux Falls. We've learned that history matters, and that in order for it to be its best, the team needs to be at home in that history. This is more than just a game. It's time with Dad. It's date night. It's the perfect summer afternoon. You don't come to the stadium to watch a baseball game. You come to cheer for the home team. Now it's time to bring the team home. Sioux Falls Canaries, 2013 season. Welcome home.